So how does it feel being recognized at World Brand Summit 2014?
We have won the most promising brand award in power distribution management category, and we really feel great with this achievement because in the day-to-day activities we normally forget about all the outcome and the end result of the game, but when we get recognized in these events, we feel that yes, we are on the right track. So we really feel very ecstatic about this achievement.
So talking about the growth of the company, okay, your company is growing maybe every day. So there would be one obstacle which you feel which is, will come to the future growth of the company. So which is that one obstacle or one challenge which you can say which hampers the growth of the company?
So large part of our work is with the government funded schemes, and I think while working with government as a client, sometimes you don't work with the same efficiency level at which a private organization is supposed to work. So we just wish the government could be faster in the processes which impact entrepreneurs like us more, like timely payments, because we do make a lot of investments upfront in the work which we do. So the support, in terms of support processes of government is the largest obstacle which we see, like making payments to us in time, taking decisions on the work which we have done for them in time is the biggest obstacle. But I think the government is also getting conscious about it. At least the new government, we see them taking a lot of steps in the right direction. So we are hopeful that obstacles will not as big as what we think them to be. So, but that is what I would term as obstacle which we would be preparing ourselves for.
So what are the future growth plans of your organization?
We have plans to expand in road, oil and gas, and irrigation department, and we have the same business, the preparation of DPR, project management consultancy, which there is a vast scope. As a matter of fact, in the sector that we are in power distribution, consultants have got their scope in last 7-8 years only after our company was formed, and we have as of now we have enough opportunities in this sector only. Government of India has very ambitious and huge investments in this sector, and as Gunjan has referred, governance is an issue, for good execution of these projects, which our government is already addressing, and there is a need to discuss more on that, so that the bottom line of the projects can be achieved. Day-to-day activities with the government needs to be softened, and the decision makers need to have access to the consultants like us. We should be given more and more opportunities to interact with them, because consultant is a very, very vital player in the scheme. We are not manufacturers, we are not contractors, we are consultants. That means we are extended arm of the government. The government needs to give us opportunity to interact with them, which in my opinion as of now is very, very minimal. There are few identified consultants which have been working from last many years, who are regularly being recognized. So I am really thankful to Brand Academy for identifying consultants like us who have done really good job. The struggle is on, the journey is on. God only knows where this journey is going to end. But one message I want to give to everybody in this sector through this channel is that we need to be cautious towards this sector very, very much, because I am traveling all over the world, and wherever I am going I am seeing the consultant's role is becoming more and more important. And in my opinion, in power distribution sector, consultants have not been attended to the extent they should have been, and the utilities, the DISCOMs, they still treat consultants as contractors, which is the major bottleneck or challenge or whatever you say in the sector. I don't know whether I should say or not, but I am a patriotic person. I love my nation. I have started this business for growth of the sector, and I would seriously want that the value that we intend to add in the sector, that becomes justified when all of us participate for the common cause. That is the electrification of each and every habitation and the household till the last person. in this country, and then only we will feel that country is growing.
So how do you motivate or inspire your employees?
That's a good question. I am from a conservative family, and I never had intentions to be a very big businessman. I just want to be a good human being, and as generally people know that in Medhaj, it is more important to be a good human being than a very good performer. I suggest and advise in all my interactions with my colleagues in the company to read all your religious books every now and then, whenever you want, because all the management gurus and all that lectures that people attend in the management colleges and here and there, all those part of lectures are abstracts from these religious books like Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavad Mahapuran and all that. So it is very essential for everybody to improve their moral values, and their individual has to help themselves, like sleeping early in the night, getting up early in the morning, taking fresh air in the morning, doing yoga and reading Bhagavad Gita every day. That helps. Believe me, it helps. Thank you.